In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ahrefs to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to claude.ai. Then from there, we need to make sure to sign into our account. As you can see, I'm signed in as Tutorial is. Now, from here, on the left-hand side, look for the Customize button and click onto that. To the right of that, it's going to say Customize Claude Skills Connectors and Plugins. Click onto the option below that where it says Connect Your App, so let Claude rewrite the tools you need. So click into that. Now make sure on the Connectors tab to the right, click on Search and then type in Ahrefs. Now basically from here, you're going to click on the plus icon next to Ahrefs. Click onto that, and it says here complete the sign-in steps. So come over here. Now we can sign in with your Google key, passkey, email, password, then click sign in. Now once you've successfully done that, it's going to take you back to Claude AI and it's going to say successfully connected Ahrefs to Claude AI.